Alright, now we'll discuss the Model Context Protocol, okay? What does it do? I've explained it, but basically it calls external tools, APIs, or services to connect or receive information, actions, use cases, like connecting a database via API, triggering a workspace with SAS, an external program. Here's the definition. Invoking a Model Context Protocol, okay? Basically, an MCP allows us, for your understanding, to connect tools, each with its own APIs and code. For, let's say, to start interacting with a tool, each has its own code, okay? What happens? Each tool operates differently, okay? There's no standard method in the market. I get it, but many just prefer to customize it and be done, because these are programs you create and develop gradually, right? So, what happens as a developer, you have to learn the codes for each tool. This basically makes it easier for us to have control of the tool without constantly learning each one individually, okay? If we select MCP here, it says, unable to connect tools on this server, check your settings and try again. Okay, it says there's a requirement that you need to see and an authentication, right? In the end, if you want to connect a tool, you'd connect it from the agent, I think, or maybe you have to do it this way. To be honest, I'm not really sure how it works. Let's see where it is, we'll link it. Or maybe you need to publish it. Since it says this server isn't exposed to any tool, you can select, you know what? To connect a tool, I'd have to do it from here. MCP server, see it? MCP server, select, then add the API. I won't do it now, but it likely works this way, okay? Through here, we can simply configure the tool itself and how we interact with it, alright? It's pretty basic. So that's it, it's that simple.